Alrighty, YouTubers, it is Thursday, week before Christmas. We got another Amazon Prime unboxing to do. Hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe with the travels through the holiday season. Alrighty, sorry about that. Had a doorbell. But you can get one still, and I think you still have time to get this on Christmas. So you guys want to check them out? Link is going to be down below. We got a big old box. Oh boy. Oh yes. Mystery gift number one. What do we have here? Alright, alright. Put this down. Whoa. Alright. We have here a VANKYO LED projector, full HD, 1080p movie projector. Really nice. And like I said, link will be down below for this one. And we'll do the review in a second. We'll see what's inside the box right now. And it's just really sweet looking. Gotta love projectors. Sitting at the bonfires. Play some gaming on it. Let's see if I can open it. Almost stabbed myself. Yeah, that was close. And in case I do have any coupons, they'll be listed down below. Oh wow. Boy. Nice. Oh, it comes with a nice little travel pouch. Look at this. Man. Kind of heavy though. Not bad. Look at this. This is classy. Nice locks. Really nice. Maybe you can fit some controllers in there. Maybe. Now let's see. All right. Oh boy. Dang. Now this is high quality LED projector or full HD. Oh wow. Okay. So this is a two-parter. Sweet. Oh, things are not going as planned. Alright. Let's see. Future is here, guys. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I want to drop this. What we got in here? Oh, sweet. Look at that. Got the cables in the side. Got those cables. Got the remote control. There. This is a nice travel pouch. Kind of like a mini school bag. So thank you guys. Oh, it is an LED projector. Holy smokes. Dang. This is something different. Oh wow. Alright, we got, hopefully you guys can see. Let me brighten up. We got 2 HDMIs, USB, TF card, AV power, computer. Hey, she's a beauty. Focus, keystone. Nice. Probably, oh, this would be perfect. Be great for the football games over the weekend for those playoffs. NHL hockey. In case you guys are wrestling fans, very great to watch wrestling on. Great for movies. Gaming is really good too. Got the HDMI. I got the controller right here. Hey, this is really nice. I am really happy with this one. Nice feels to the remote. Alright, what else am I missing down here? Okay, this will be separate. And now, we have, I'm going to try to set up downstairs because of this thing. Alright, I'm going to move this box because it's pretty big out of the way. The cord's out of the way. Empty. And we got one of these. And you guys could purchase one also. The portable projector screen. Screaming. Projector screen with hooks and stickers, wide viewing angle. Oh shoot, my phone's gonna die. This is nice. So thank you guys over at VANKYO. I think that's how you say it. Hope I didn't butcher you guys' name too bad. But I've been having a little interesting week. Just came out of the hospital last Thursday. Still recovering. Dang. Alright, what size is it? 120 inch. Nice. 16 by 9. 120. Portable projection screen. This is sweet. Perfect for projectors. Oh yes, I'm going to definitely hook this up later and then do a full review. I just want to do that, and then it'll be on the same video though, so just stay tuned. No ads, no nothing. Just straight up. Sherry VANKYO. Alright. That's it. Alright, that's it for now. And once I get this set up, I'll be ready to go downstairs. Alright, YouTubers. See you in the back. We got the VANKYO LED projection all hooked up. Right now it's only temporary. Got the screen. Looks really good. And then we're going to show you the video quality. And you guys can get one at a low cost. And check them out. Mixer, we'll see what then. There you you go. I don't know what this is going on, but I'm about to find out.
You gotta try it, bro. You definitely need to give it a try at some point.
Alright. Maybe not.
What
Really?
what makes the game like ethically concerned? Yeah, I have no idea.
So really clear screen, clear picture quality. I just gotta set it up better. But like I said, I've been in surgery, so it's kind of hard to do everything right now. So, but definitely check them out, YouTubers, when you guys got free time. Really sweet projector. YouTubers, have a good night and